Hey guys, I'm Prodigy from Airsoft Team Kilo23. Today we're going to be doing a quick range test on the final version of Twitch's Thompson Chicago 1928, the gun we got him for his birthday. So we're going to be shooting camo today, so let's see how it goes. It is a little rainy, so the accuracy is going to be a little off, but it's the best we can do. It's been raining here for like 2 weeks. So we're going to be range testing at 50, 100, and 200 feet. Let's get to it. Alright, the test from 50 feet. It's going to be chronoing with .25s today because the Matter 2s and 25s are just more accurate in general. Alright, 50 feet, shouldn't have a problem hitting a guy. Alright, the Chicago 1928 from 100 feet with 2.5s. Alright, 100 feet, pretty accurate, but we're going to push it out to 200 feet now and see what we can do. Alright, 200 feet with 2.5s. Now keep in mind the drum mag, I know it's not feeding too well, but that's because it's a boneyard drum mag and I had to do a little makeshift repair on it. So you got to kind of deal with it there. Alright, 200 feet. Alright, its max range is really about 200 feet at most, so you're looking at an optimal at most range of really about 100 to 150 feet with this gun. Like I said, the drum mag, boneyard, had to fix it, not really that great. But my teammate Twitch already has a Thompson and this is it, and he has a standard mag for it that works pretty well, so he's getting a really good birthday present, I think. You can just check out that dance for yourselves. I'm Prodigy from Airsoft Team Kilo23, signing off.